Hello everyone, the Lovelace family is checking out JiJi's Asian Kitchen on the Carnival Horizon today. This is 11 aft, very back of the ship, and go ahead and go to the aft, head up to deck 11, and then when you get off, it's when you go down this little hallway, to the left will be the Asian kitchen, to the right will be Kachina's. All right, let's take a look at the menu. Since there was 3 of us, you get to pick 3 items on their menu in each section. So you have an appetizer and soup section, entrees, sides, noodles, and rice, and then desserts. And of course, you can order any kind of beverage you want from there. That will be an upcharge. But everything we've tasted is awesome on this menu. So definitely keep watching this video and check everything out as it comes. So have y'all figured it out yet?
No, we haven't.
Michelle and Anthony's trying to become expert chopstick.
We didn't figure it out last time either.
Anthony, see you try to pick up something. Pinch my finger. Ah! All right, so they just brought it out, and we got the spring rolls, all 3 of them. We tried them last time, liked them. What were the sauces, Michelle?
That was the spiciest. That was sweet and sour, I think. And
Spicy, sweet, and sour, and you don't know about that mystery. So let's try these out. Let's try this out. Woo! Extremely hot. Extremely hot in the middle of it. I just want to warn you, so you don't bite in and burn your tongue. Just want to warn you. So those are really fresh, but extremely hot internally, which is good, but I just didn't want Anthony to burn himself. So how are y'all liking them?
spring rolls are delicious.
Spring rolls really good, Aunt? Hot on the inside, right? Temperature hot. They're really good. Thumbs up.
Absolutely.
So these are mozzarella and cheese mashed potatoes. Maybe it wasn't mozzarella. It's cheese and mashed potatoes. This is complimentary of the chef tonight, so we're going to try it out next. All right, Michelle and Anthony, what's your thoughts on the potato with cheese and crunch on it?
It looks real good, and I want to like it, but it's just okay.
You don't like it?
It's okay.
Would you order it would you order it if it was on the menu?
No, I go for the spring rolls any day.
We got plenty of spring rolls. I can't believe we didn't finish them all. So Anthony, what was your thoughts on the potato and cheese?
It was not good.
Didn't like it?
Nope.
Thumbs down? All right, thank you for your opinion. 2 thumbs down. Uh-oh. They start bringing out the main meal, the sides, and the main meat. So, hey, let's check these out. Of course, we're going to give you our thoughts and take some big bites for you. All right, so we got our, I think it's beef and pepper steak. You want to lift that up, Michelle? Looks really good. That is the wide noodles. And then this is the hakakak, or I don't know what. Hakanaka?
Haka noodles.
Haka noodles. Haka noodles. Let's try these out. All right, we got the fried rice as well. Get ready to put it on the plate. They kept bringing the food out. We just could not keep up with it. So we're going to try to eat some of this and give you our thoughts on it. This is the beef and pepper. Beef and pepper. I think that's what it's called. Peppered steak. Yeah, beef and pepper steak. It's got a really good taste to it. The meat is tender. It's got a little bit of a sauce to it.
That's excellent right there. All right, this is the Kung Pao chicken. That's very good. Anthony, don't get too full on the noodles. You need to try that. That's excellent right there. Chicken is cooked perfect, tender. Got a little bit of heat, but not a whole lot of heat. Really good. Right now we're going to try the sweet and sour shrimp. That's really good as well. Just try a few of these noodles for you. All the meats I just tried, they're excellent. This is going to be a big bite. All right, these are the wide noodles. Wide noodles. All right, and now the fried rice. Try that out. Okay, I've tried everything in here. I haven't tasted anything bad yet. All the meats are excellent. The sides are excellent. I think the meats are the star of the show with the sweet and sour shrimp, the Kung Pao chicken, and the beef and pepper steak. I can't get that right. Perfect. Very tender. Yeah, let's do this. We're going to eat this. All right, Michelle and Anthony, if y'all tried everything, what's your thoughts so far?
I haven't tried the shrimp yet.
Okay. Michelle, what have you tried?
I'm going to wait until Anthony eats it before I give my opinion.
Have you ate it?
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. On everything you've tried so far, what do you like and what do you dislike?
I think everything is absolutely delicious. The steak is delicious. The chicken is delicious. The noodles are great. Rice is good. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the sweet and sour. The sweet and sour shrimp. I agree.
Okay, why don't you like that?
It's got a very thick, mushy dough consistency that I don't like.
So the coating is kind of like it's not crispy, it's
There's no crisp.
kind of a doughy outer side of the shrimp.
And where it's been sitting in the sauce, it makes it really mushy.
Right.
Doughy.
But this pepper steak,
It's absolutely delicious.
and this right here is excellent.
Yes.
It's all good.
Yes.
I didn't want to get filled up on the rice and the noodles, so I wanted to kill the meat. So, all right, let's finish this off. All right, Anthony, what's your thoughts on the shrimp?
The shrimp, no.
Don't like the shrimp?
It has a weird texture to it. It feels very mushy.
What about the beef and pepper? You didn't try that.
No, I don't like
What about the Kung Pao chicken?
the Kung Pao chicken. It's okay. It's a little spicy. But other than that,
What are
everything else I love.
you like the noodles
I love the
and the rice?
rice is incredibly good. So I
Okay.
think he's pretty much single-handed.
Yeah, he's took that whole bot out. Is that the wide noodles?
Yep.
The wide noodles, he's took that out.
Yep.
All right, so we got crepes with fruit and caramelized caramel. Is that caramel on the outside?
Yes. Yep.
I see some pineapples, blackberry, raspberries,
There's a
and some
cookie.
ice cream.
There's a cookie underneath the ice cream too.
Okay, cookie underneath the ice cream. Okay, and then Michelle's got.
Cream brulee.
All right, let's try this out.
I think we got it better.
All right, this is ice cream in the middle of this as well. We'll try here. Man, that's full of flavor with the fruit, the ice cream. There's a hint of mint to it. Not a lot of the caramel initially, but let's try it again.
You did not get no deep. I was not expecting it to be so
Very good. Now I'm going to take, try this ice cream with a cookie on the bottom of it.
Hey, that's a big bite there.
Very good. All right, Michelle's going to try her creme brulee.
Very good.
Very good. Mine was very good. Anthony, how about yours? Anthony says it's a thumbs up from him too. So dessert is excellent here at JiJi's Asian Kitchen.
You can probably tell by now our final thoughts on this meal was 3 thumbs up. Incredible meal. Definitely worth the extra cost as a specialty restaurant on a Carnival ship, especially the Carnival Horizon. JiJi's Asian Kitchen will not disappoint in my opinion and our family's opinion. So what do you think? Have you ever ate there before? What's your thoughts? What ship did you eat it on? On the Carnival Horizon, we tried it out and it was probably my second favorite meal, right behind Kachina's at nighttime. Kachina's is probably the best meal we've ever had, but this Asian Kitchen JiJi's was excellent. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We've got over 30 videos on the Carnival Horizon. Thank you.